Hi, this is a quick demo of the TLC info tracking demo written for a child care facility. They want to manage their employee hours and know how much to pay their employees by figuring out how many hours they work and they clock in and clock out. Later it'll be extended to the employees for TLC Learning Center, their website. I am Benjamin Smith and this is my demo. The reason I'm showing you this is basically these two technologies, React and Redux. I created the view and the state management with React and Redux, and I also created the backend, a separate API server with Node, Mongo, and Express. In React, some of the technologies that are being used are React Router, React Redux, React Form, and I should also mention that I'm using semantic UI to style this page. So right now we are not signed in, and so what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you how you can sign in. If you go to this page, tlc-info-deploy-demo.herokuapp.com, you can use these credentials right here to sign in. And so don't worry, when you go there, it'll give you those. So I'm just going to sign in. You have the option, actually, of if you know how to sign in as an owner, you can do that as well, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to sign in as a manager, and we're pretending that we are a manager of these employees. And we can see these employees: John Doe, Mary Doe, John Lim, Esther Kim. We can find out more information about them, and I'm managing the URLs here with React Router. John Doe, Mary Doe. Let's say, oh, we wrote it wrong. It's not Mary Doe, it's Mary Kim. Okay, and I can save those changes and go back. You can see there's employee numbers, and so basically what the employees are going to do is they're going to come to work, they're going to log in, 1111, they're going to clock in. Okay, here's another employee clocking in, and the manager who can see who is currently working. That's one benefit, right? Note that if I use a wrong number, it's going to give me a warning from the API server. I want to clock these two guys out just to show you 111 and 222. So I can do that, and this is a flash message that I wrote using a set timeout, and I clocked them out. And you can click this off if you want to click that off. So we have some employees here. We see their last clock in and clock out happened at this time. I'm using Army time for this because I think it's good for a system where people are working. At least most places where I've worked, we've used Army time for their clock in and clock out system. Okay, so I can create a table of when all my employees, if I'm the manager, we'll say from December 1st to right now it's December 13th. I can create a table of all the times that they worked, and I didn't even clock them in for a minute, so I didn't really get any credit there. And they only worked some time here. So we have Mary King, John Lim, and John Doe, and then Esther Kim has been salary. She gets $5,500 a month. And so one of the things is that Mary she was sick for a day, and so she had 8 hours sick time. And then we could say that John Lim had 8 hours of vacation time. Okay. And then we come down here. You can't really do anything with salary. It doesn't matter how many hours they work. But we did have one employee, John Doe, who needed $30 for diapers. And then we had another employee, Mary Kim, who had 30 miles of reimbursement. Oh, it's not supposed to be John Lim. It's supposed to be Mary Kim. 30 miles of reimbursement. You can save those changes, and then go back. And when I look here, everything is still there. Of course, I can update it however I want to. And so those are some of the things that we can do. We have a dynamic table. We have different types of employees that are being parsed out into different tables. We can add miscellaneous comments, and then when the site owner comes in, they can look at this and know how much to pay the employees. Okay, so that covers creating. We can create a new employee here. And one of the things we'll see here is if I don't fill in a form, it'll yell at me. And if I don't fill in anything, I won't be able to submit it, and that comes from Redux form. Also, you see here, we only have this much. However, if I click on this super secret logo and I sign in as an admin or as an owner, I'll see that I have another option, and I can actually create a manager. And that would create a new manager. And one of the things that's cool that I did was I created multi-tiered authentication, or authentication with different roles. And so we have an owner role and a manager role. And the owner role will have the ability to create manager accounts. Manager accounts won't just be able to sign up themselves. Of course, they wouldn't be able to do that. And employees will only be able to sign in and sign out. Managers will be able to create new employees. Managers will be able to edit new employees, track their hours, create tables, and things like that. And so but then owners will be able to do a lot more than that. And so there is this special owner page, and I will be adding more. I just haven't been working on this app for very long. But really, all you can do, and you'll need a special super secret to be able to create some of the things as an owner, or to sign up as an owner. So that's my app. That was about 6 minutes. You can come and see it again. tlc-info-deploy-demo.herokuapp.com. You can try it out. The login information is there, and I just wanted to show you that I use React and Redux. And as a full stack JavaScript engineer, I created this application, and I would love for you to have a chance to interview with your company. Thanks. Bye.